Your legacy continues to live on. We salute you. Yes. You see how the banana drop it, or who drop it? And Nancy. Hey, here, I can make it. All right. So let me see what in my basket. Mango. You see all this here ripe one here? This when me there Jamaica. Me don't do too much in Canada, but when me get younger, me eat them at night time because we put warm and not going to Yes. So, from May to November, especially around August, we have a lot of mangoes in Jamaica. So sing with me now. Because you know, reading is all about interaction and bringing the community together. You know, I would learn about our culture. Yeah, man. And so if we do it now, for unite. Yeah, man. Mr. Music, Miss Music, can you play? You know which song? Mango Time. Sing with me.
Coffee, tea, mango time. Hero nice, it may be mango time.
At the height of the mango crop,
when the fruit them arrive and drop,
wash your palm,
turn them down, mango time.
Make we go a mango time. For it's only the time, mango time. Make we jump on the big jackass, riding down and not up and gas. Make the best of the crop, mango
time.
Turpentine, large and fine, mango time. Rubbing mango, so sweet, mango time. Number 11 and here is skin, packy and crowd, round bending. 30 pound crackers full, mango time. Sing with me. We no drink
coffee, tea, mango time.
Hero
nice, it may be mango time.
At the height of the mango crop,
when the fruit them arrive and chop, wash your pot, turn them down, mango time. Wash your pot, turn them down, mango time. Woo!
Riddle me that. Guess me this riddle, and perhaps not. What is front of woman and back of cow? Hey, what is front of woman and back of cow?
No.
I want to send a nigga to school. It is the letter W. Front of woman and back of cow.
Ooh, Italy.
Wriggle me this, wriggle me that, guess me this, wriggle and perhaps not. Why was 6 afraid of 7? Because 7 here, and you're right. Clap yourself.
Hey, Tiffany.
All right. Now go get another one. Wriggle me this, wriggle me that. Guess me this, wriggle and perhaps not. Why did the dog go in the yard? Why did the dog go in the yard? You wanna laugh? Because no. Wanna give up? Because 3 feet make 1 yard and dog have 4 feet. That is why. Wanna get it? Somebody just walk on ahead. All right, one last one. Wriggle me this, wriggle me that. Guess me this, wriggle and perhaps not. Wanna know this? Sweet water standing up. Sugar cane, what wanna say? All right, now, so I'm going to do for you Miss Sue from 90